Today, let's cook this colorful, flavorful Sichuan dish together. First off, boil the quail eggs for 15 minutes. Next, wash all the ingredients: tofu skin, garland chrysanthemum, garlic scapes, cauliflower, and more. Garlic scapes carry lots of dirt, so rinse them several times. Cut the beef tripe and garlic scapes into strips. Turn on the stove and pour in cooking oil. On low heat, toss in hot pot base and garlic cloves. Stir until the base fully melts. Add shrimp, cauliflower, and garlic. Scrape one after another. Throw in 2 spoons of salt. Add the pre-cooked beef rolls. Stir everything well. Our authentic Sichuan-style malapat is done. Finish with a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Wow, it smells incredible!